So welcome back. Now, as we learned from Farmer Ben's story, the body, if it's infected with an infection that may be the weak type, can now protect itself against the strong type. And Dr. Edward Jenner uses this idea in 1798 to create the smallpox vaccine. And he does this by using the cowpox virus. And in fact, the word vaccine comes from a word in Latin meaning cow. And within 50 years, his idea is being used around the world, and it ends up saving millions of lives. The goal of any good vaccine is to prevent the body from getting the deadly infection and to prevent it from spreading the germs of that infection to other bodies around it. And in turn, this can lead to more things. Number one is the infection, because it can't invade and it can't make a lot of copies of itself, it can't constantly change itself, it can't mutate. The next thing that can do is that you can create a wall of immunity around people that need some extra protection, or people who can't get the vaccine for some reason, like perhaps a very elderly person or a newborn baby. If you can immunize everybody around that person, they won't get the deadly version of the infection and they won't spread the germs to the person who can be protected on the middle of that circle. And if you do this on a large enough scale, then you can actually eradicate or get rid of the infection from the whole world, such as smallpox. There are many different types of vaccines today, but they work in about 3 basic ways. The first way they work is sometimes you can take the infection, you can make it weak, you can turn it into a vaccine, give it to the body, and the body reacts. The second type is where you can chop up the infection, take a small bit, turn it into a vaccine, give it to the body, and the body reacts. The third type is a little bit different. It's almost like giving a manual to the body, like a little book. And some cells in the body, not all of them, but some of them will read this manual and they'll make a protein or marker that the immune system can react to, and the manual dissolves. And in this case, the vaccine can be made very quickly and it can be very effective. Now, I know this whole idea of teaching the body how to survive a dangerous infection is very different and can be very scary. However, I think all of us just want to protect ourselves and our loved ones, and vaccines can help us with that. As the Bene Gesserit would say, survival is the ability to swim in strange water. Until next time.